Hello children, welcome back. Today we are going to be learning chapter 7, the invention of Vita Wonk. Now what is Vita Wonk? Vita Wonk is a fluid, a potion which makes people grow old. Now why was this needed? Over here in this story, we have two main characters, Mr. Willy Wonka and a little boy called Charlie. Mr. Willy Wonka owns a factory in which he makes various recipes which are used for various things. Now one day he has come up with a liquid, a potion which makes people grow young. Okay, and the potion was so strong that many people reversed way too much, means their age went in minus. And there was actually one man who became minus 87 years old. What does that mean? That now he will have to wait for 87 years to come back and start living again. Now this was a mess, it had to be corrected, it was a mistake. So Mr. Willy Wonka thinks that now he has to make something which will make people grow old. Also, Mr. Willy Wonka has a glass elevator using which he can travel through space and time. He can go in past, he can go in future, he can travel through space. And Charlie and Mr. Willy Wonka decide to put this elevator to good use. So now what does Mr. Willy Wonka do? In order to invent this drink called Vita Wonk, which will make people grow old. How do they do this? We are going to find in this chapter. Mr. Willy Wonka begins by inventing Wonka White, which makes people younger. So first what has he done? He has invented Wonka White. And what is that? That is a drink which makes people grow younger. But Wonka White is too strong. So some people disappear because their age becomes minus. But this drink was so strong that some people actually started disappearing because their age went in minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he has got to wait 87 years before he can come back. Mr. Willy Wonka must invent a new thing. Now to correct this mess, Mr. Willy Wonka will have to invent another drink which will make people grow old. Now, Mr. Willy Wonka and Charlie sit down and discuss that how is it possible to make such a drink. Then after much discussion, they come to a conclusion that in order to make this drink, this liquid, they would have to bring together all the oldest things that they could find in the world. So they climb into the glass elevator and start to move around the world to collect different things, the oldest things possible that exist in the world. And what all do they collect? Here is a list of things that they come together and collect. A pint of sap from a 4,000-year-old bristlecone pine. Bristlecone pine is a tree, and they collected a pint of sap from that tree. The toenail clippings from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Gregorovich. Then what is the next thing? The toenail clipping of a Russian farmer who was 168 years old. An egg laid by a 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. Then the egg of a tortoise. The tortoise was 200 years old and it belonged to the king of Tonga. The tail of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. The whiskers of a 36-year-old cat called Crumpets. An old flea which had lived on crumpets for 36 years. The tail of a 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet. These are all simple things. The black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin. Now what is a grimalkin? Grimalkin is an ancient word used for a cat. The knuckle bones of a 700-year-old cataloo from Peru. What is a cataloo? It is a crossbreed between a cow and a buffalo. Then, in addition to this, they also brought some parts, someone's eyebrow, someone's hair from different animals who were very unique in their own ways. The whistle pig, the bobolink, the scrog, the polyfrog, the giant curlicue, the stinging slug and the venomous squircle. who can spit poison right into your eyes from 50 yards away. So from these different animals and birds, Mr. Willy Wonka also collected someone's hair, someone's eyebrow, someone's toenails, and he put all of this together. After lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing and testing in my inventing room, I produced one tiny cupful of oily black liquid and gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer to see what happened. So after mixing and boiling and testing and doing various things in his laboratory, Mr. Willy Wonka came up with a black oily liquid, and to test it, he gave it to a 20-year-old Oompa Loompa. Oompa Loompa is a small-sized man who was willing to try it for him. What did happen? Charlie says. So Charlie was excited. He said that what happened when you gave him this drink? It was fantastic, cried Mr. Wonka. The moment he swallowed it, he began wrinkling and shriveling up all over, and his hair started dropping off and his teeth started falling out. And before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75. And thus, my dear Charlie, was Vitawonk invented. So when Charlie asked that what happened when you gave this drink, he says that it was magical, it was fantastic. As soon as the Oompa Loompa drank this liquid, he started wrinkling and shriveling up, his hair started falling, his teeth started falling, and in a blink, that 20-year-old Oompa Loompa was now 75 years old. Means Mr. Willy Wonka had succeeded in making a drink which would make people age. And what did he name this drink? It was called Vitawonk. So this is the story how Mr. Willy Wonka invented this drink Vitawonk, which would age people. Right? I hope that you found this story interesting, understood it well, read it properly, and I will see you in our next lecture. Till then, bye bye.